Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to advance time in franchise mode. In the beginning, click in franchise mode, select advance week. In next week you can see matches to play, or you can simply simulate to playoffs or Super Bowl or to off-season. Select the option you are interested in. For example, let's select simulate to Super Bowl. And thanks to simulating, you will skip every match, and then you can reassign players, playoffs, roosters. You can upgrade players, change scouts, and more. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.